Number 1. 1974 Chevrolet Chevelle, $9,800, Corona, California. This family-owned Chevelle has been with the same household for more than 30 years and shows only 10,000 miles on the rebuilt drivetrain. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a rebuilt turbo 350 transmission, Edelbrock intake and carburetor, electronic ignition, and new dual exhaust. With power steering, power disc brakes, and 20-inch wheels on new tires, it is both reliable and fun to drive. The car is registered through 2026 and carries a clean title, making it a strong, dependable classic ready for regular enjoyment. Number 2. 1972 Chevrolet Vega GT, $5,500, San Jose, California. This Vega GT hatchback has been upgraded with a 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission sourced from a 1970 Chevrolet Impala, producing an estimated 300 horsepower. It also features 4-bolt mains and camel hump heads for durability. Showing 51,500 miles, the car was daily driven until the current owner retired and has since been parked. It includes an electric fan and comes with a clean title, making it a practical project for someone seeking a compact muscle-style Vega with big block attitude. Number 3. 1976 Pontiac Catalina, $6,500, Bakersfield, California. Finished in red and showing 78,000 original miles, this Catalina is powered by Pontiac's 400 cubic inch V8 with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The car runs and drives excellently, with both air conditioning and heating in working order. Freeway ready and free of rust, it carries a clean title with current tags. As a large, comfortable coupe of the mid-1970s, this Pontiac offers plenty of presence and classic American cruising style at an affordable price. Number 4. 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $16,000, Henderson, Nevada. This Monte Carlo has only 73,250 original miles and remains highly original with its factory paint still intact. It has had just 2 owners since new and comes with the rare swivel bucket seat interior. Under the hood sits a factory 454 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Recent updates include a new fuel tank, fuel pump, carburetor, and lines. With abundant torque and originality, this Monte Carlo is a desirable personal luxury coupe from the early 1970s. Number 5. 1971 Chevrolet El Camino, $20,000, Livingston, Texas. Part of an antique car collection, this El Camino was assembled by the previous owner's grandfather and features a $5,000 350 cubic inch crate engine. Finished in bright yellow with a clean blue title, the car shows only 100 miles on the odometer since restoration. It runs and drives very strongly and has been carefully assembled over the years, making it a standout El Camino with both show appeal and street usability. Number 6. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, $19,000 California. A one-owner California car, this 1979 Trans Am comes with its original white paint, black interior, and matching numbers 6.6-liter V8, paired with a turbo-hydromatic 3-speed automatic transmission. It is equipped with power steering, power disc brakes up front with rear drums, air conditioning, and functioning electric gauges. With original license plates, a clean title, and a strong running drivetrain, this well-kept Trans Am represents the peak of Pontiac's muscle-era styling. Number 7. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, $18,500, Oakland, California. This Chevelle shows approximately 75,000 miles and runs and drives, though it requires paint and interior attention. It has received numerous updates and new parts, and it carries a clean title currently registered as non-operational. With its strong mechanical base and desirable body style, it represents a solid foundation for restoration into a high-value classic muscle car. Number 8. 1978 Datsun 280Z 2+2, $19,500, Portland, Oregon. A true survivor, this one-owner 280Z 2+2 is equipped with a 2.8-liter inline-6 and 4-speed manual transmission. Showing just over 7,834 miles on the odometer, with documentation supporting 107,834 actual miles, it remains in excellent rust-free condition. The orange exterior is free from dents or dings, and the interior is completely original. Carefully garaged since new, it drives as well as it looks, making it an outstanding preserved example of Japanese sports car history. Number 9. 1974 Chevrolet Nova, $17,000, Yakima, Washington. This Nova, nicknamed Death Proof, has been heavily upgraded with a 396 cubic inch big block V8 turbo 350 transmission with heavy-duty clutches, big block suspension, traction bars, and a B&M ratchet shifter. It also includes a Yukon Posey rear end, Flowmaster exhaust, headers, Edelbrock intake, and carburetor. The black primer exterior and fresh interior make it a strong driver, though some trim and paint finishing is needed. Built during the pandemic, it has only seen limited road use since completion. Number 10. 1967 Pontiac Grand Prix, $18,000, Vallejo, California. With only 67,000 miles, this mostly original Grand Prix features a freshly repainted white exterior paired with a clean interior. Power comes from a 400 cubic inch V8 mated to a turbo 400 automatic transmission and 4-barrel carburetor. Equipped with clean rims and tires, this full-size Pontiac is well-maintained and ready to drive. It delivers both presence and comfort, reflecting Pontiac's luxury performance balance of the 1960s. Number 11. 1978 Datsun B210 GX, $14,500, Tacoma, Washington. This compact hatchback presents in excellent condition and shows only 10,000 miles. Powered by a reliable 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it reflects Datsun's focus on economy and durability during the late 1970s. With its bright green paint and strong running condition, this B210 GX offers classic Japanese engineering in a fun-to-drive and fuel-efficient package. Number 12. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $15,000, Plymouth, California. Finished in red with a black interior, this Corvette is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The car includes a luggage rack and shows 14,540 miles on the odometer, though it has rolled over. In good condition overall, it represents a solid mid-1970s Corvette driver with plenty of muscle car character and everyday usability. Number 13. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 Convertible, $14,500, Indio, California. This Galaxie 500 Convertible is powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Features include a power top and power steering, making it a pleasant open-air cruiser. With 67,000 miles, a clean California title, and driver-quality presentation, it is not a show car, but a reliable classic suitable for everyday use. Number 14. 1967 Chevrolet Impala SS, $15,000, Sedalia, Colorado. A desirable fastback supersport model, this Impala is powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor paired to a turbo 350 automatic transmission and 12-bolt rear end. Showing 60,000 miles, it has received new tires and numerous replacements, making it a dependable driver. Finished in blue with a clean title, it is a strong example of Chevrolet's late 1960s full-size muscle style. Number 15. 1964 Austin Healey Sprite, $3,200, Medford, Oregon. This British roadster is equipped with a 1273 cubic centimeter 4-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Rust-free and very clean, it includes a good top, jack, manuals, and original trim pieces. Stored for 8 years, it is not currently running but carries a clean title. As an affordable entry into classic British motoring, this Sprite offers plenty of charm and potential with minimal investment.